Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. Today we're going to be drawing a frog just using a circle. So to draw your circle, find yourself something round to draw around, place it in the centre of your page, get your pen or a pencil and draw around it. Remember, you can pause the video at any moment if it goes too quickly. So I'm just drawing my circle. There we go. So there's my circle. Next, I'm going to be drawing the legs. So draw one big leg coming out from this side. And we're going to draw the same on the other side. Another big leg coming out from this side. Just like that. Okay, now for the feet, we'll draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Then we draw little bobbles on the end. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to join them up using a curved line like that and another curved line like that. We're going to do the same on the other side. So 1, 2, 3. We're going to draw bobbles on the end. 1, 2, 3, and then join them up using curved lines, just like so. Next, we're going to be drawing the eyes. So they're going to come out at the top, just like this, kind of on stalks. Going to draw another one on this side. And then we're going to draw a circle inside this circle. And the same on the other side. Going to draw an oval and a little circle. Same on this one, oval and a little circle. We're then going to colour it in, just like so. Same on this side. Just like that. Next, we're going to be drawing the nice big smiley face. So just draw a curved line away like that. And then we're just going to finish off with a few dots. And that's your finished frog drawing. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, do check out the others in the series of how to draw animals just using one circle. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.